cooking? What is that?
Salt.
Salt. What's that?
Salt.
Salt and sugar. And is that flour? Flour. So what are you cooking? Are you cooking brownies or cookies? Okay. And stir it with your stir. Very good. Now add you a little bit of milk. Pour you some milk in there. Whoosh. Now stir that together and give it a taste. Does it need some more sugar? Okay, get you some more sugar from your bowl. Your pretend sugar. Right here. Pour a little more sugar in there. Shh. A little more flour. Shh. A little more salt. Shh. A little more milk. I think it needs a little more milk. Shh. Now stir good. Now give it a taste. See if it's better.
A little more.
A little more? Okay, try again. Keep cooking that. You're going to have the best yummy cookies around. Very good. Are we ready to pour it into a pan? Let me get you a pan. Put it back down. I'm going to get you a pan. Very good. All right, here's your pan. Pour your cookies in it, okay? Very good. Very good. Now those look like scrumptious cookies. Spread them out that away.
Oopsie.
That's okay. Are they ready to bake? Okay, I'm going to put them in the oven. Okay, here comes your cookies. I'm going to put them in the oven. Okay, cookies are done. Smell them. Oh, they smell wonderful. Oh, I can smell them from here. How are they? Are they hot? No? Are they cool? Are they delicious? Very good.
Oopsie.
That's okay. The cookies come off the plate. See you later, alligator. Okay, bye. You did good. What are you making? Brownies. Very good. Very good. Is it ready to cook?